Your key to paradise. Unlock the view. When you enter 113 Mariners Club, you are immediately drawn to your private ground floor lanai with direct access to the marina and the resort grounds. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath ground floor condominium features an open floor plan designed for both comfort and style. This retreat perfectly balances coastal living with resort convenience. In the dining area, the table comfortably seats 4 to 6 guests. There are an additional 4 seats at the breakfast bar. The bright and welcoming kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and is fully stocked for the cooks in your group. Just off the dining area, you will find a convenient half bath. Escape to the large master suite, which features a king-sized bed and offers a private entrance to the lanai. Step into the spa-like master ensuite bath, complete with a separate water closet, a large spa tub, a glass shower, and dual vanities to create a truly relaxing retreat. The first guest bedroom offers ample space and includes a queen bed. This suite also has an ensuite full bath. In the second guest bedroom, you will find a single trundle bed. Whether you're here to relax, reconnect, or set out on a new adventure, this luxury condominium and Mariners Club offer the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and unforgettable views. Reserve it now. Contact Bare Feet Vacation Rentals